What are we doing right now?
We're leaving that. There's no brakes to the trailer. They literally like unhooked us. They're like, see you later. Good luck.
I thought you were messing with me.
No.
I think I might start crying right now. We can't take it? Like, you're serious?
Watch. See? That's what they want us to do right there. Just drive away.
Okay. Okay. Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
Wow.
We're up early because we are going to get the rig this morning. Dellynn's not a huge morning person. I can do the mornings. I actually get up early often. How do you feel about being up at the crack of sunlight?
Just like to wake up naturally. I don't really want to hear an alarm. I prefer the nighttime. I just feel more energized.
The nighttime is the right time.
Yeah. In case you haven't noticed, I've been a little stuffy for a few months. And got all kinds of doctor appointments trying to figure it all out. But anyways, it's not the Rona.
I just thought it was fun to pop this on and so you could see our tired morning eyes. Well, mine, because Dellynn is hiding through sunglasses.
Oh, trust me, they're here.
Yeah.
I wish I was still sleeping.
I just actually want a cup of coffee. So,
Ooh.
I am the So I am the consummate professional, like all the time. Dylan's just like, grab and record, run and gun, make it happen.
But this morning I was like, you brought your camera, right? He's like, nope, here we got the GoPro. And I turn it on. I'm all like, oh shoot, there's literally 50 seconds of recording time left on here. Oh, that's not gonna work, guys. That's what you get today.
We're gonna get sporadic pieces of film today, and it's gonna be exciting. So.
Yeah.
Here we go.
So we're at the dealership, and we just talked to Danny, and we're pulling our truck around.
Yeah, he's literally like, pull it around back.
He was like, so have you ever hooked up to a fifth wheel before? We're like, nope.
Never, not once in my life ever.
He's like, okay, great. Let's call Chris. Chris is the tech who's been working on everything. He's awesome. So he's like, great, let's go get Chris. And it's really happening.
It kind of seems a little, it's not believable kind of thing.
I know, finally. My gosh.
This really has been such a journey, you know? I'm usually sentimental and emotional and stuff, but I'm just like stoked. I'm pumped. Yeah. And a little terrified all at the same time. Not gonna lie, I would be lying.
So I really feel like we should probably record what we're being taught about this in case like in 5 days we forget. So let me go get my phone.
Taking time to record a walkthrough of any kind is always valuable. There is no way you will remember every single detail or the answers given to the questions that you have asked. There is tremendous value in taking a recording of this information so that you can recall as needed, time and time again.
I thought this He was gonna say this is the gas tank. Because I'm used to the motorhome, but this doesn't need any gas. So what are you doing?
I'm installing these plates. Actually have to go on this fifth wheel head because this will swivel up and down this way. So these prevent that.
Did he tell you what to do?
Nah. He just said put them in. It's literally, it's like he literally went like this and said, yeah, they just go right here, and waved his finger.
Okay.
But he's gonna inspect everything, right? So like you know what I'm saying? Like that's
I thought they went right here. Here and there. I thought that's what they said.
Oh, right here maybe?
That's what I thought he said. It was right there and then on the front.
There you go.
Anderson hitches, made in the USA.
I'm gonna look on the line so he doesn't come back here and think I'm a moron.
Okay.
Okay, so standing outside the rig, and we're getting ready to be instructed on how to connect the fifth wheel up. They're gonna get this rig out of the way for us. In fact, here comes Chris now. Draws it in.
Okay,
You can't do that with the fifth wheel kingpin. You have to literally drive into it. It's almost like a hitch for dummies. Seriously, right?
Look at Lily.
Sweet. That's it, huh? Our cord's not connected from the rig to
The brakes.
Yeah, since you don't have a tailgate, it's nice.
That's kind of what we
If you have
thought
a tailgate,
too.
then you have to drink it over and.
We might just leave it. So here's a test. For the first time that he's ever gonna move this, look at how close that they parked this to those poles right there. And then he's got to maneuver around that. I mean, talk about trial by fire. Is that what it's called? I don't know. Yeah.
baptism by fire.
That's what I was looking for. I said trial by fire.
Oh my gosh. No.
You made that look easy.
My palms are almost sweaty.
Wow. That is a big mug. Wow.
So we're
big.
doing this.
She
Straighten
big.
it out a little bit. So
Okay.
we can open this door and we'll see what's sold.
Sweet, okay.
What's happening?
The 7-pin connector from the truck to the trailer isn't communicating, and therefore like the trailer brakes aren't working, and
They were just working though.
well, the lights work, but there's a whole system within that 7-pin connect. Those 7 pins all do different things.
Oh, okay.
Try it again, George.
And then that means we would be trying to brake at 50 miles an hour with everything on the truck, not this braking itself. That's bad.
Wait, what are we doing? What are we doing right now?
Deep, we're leaving that.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah. They told us to go to the dealership. They look at, they're walking away. Quick, look at.
Oh. You're not
They-
kidding right now.
No. They literally like unhooked us. They're like, see you later. Good luck.
I thought you were messing with me.
No. No, I'm not messing with you. Somebody's got to fix the 7-pin connector. And we
Okay.
don't know what's wrong with
So
it.
we have to go to a dealership.
Yes.
I think I might start crying right now. We can't take it? Like you're serious?
Watch. Watch. See? That's what they want us to do right there. Just drive away.
Okay.
Are you seriously gonna start crying?
I am.
Why?
I thought we were gonna get it today.
No, we're not. We're not getting it right now.
Okay.
If they can do the 7-pin connector thing, we'll go.
Okay. Wow.
This is unbelievable. This is truly unbelievable.
I'm only trying to laugh a lot to just not cry.
I'm a little speechless. I honestly don't even know what to say. Because we're gonna go into a dealership right now and basically just like set the like service department on fire, because we're gonna be like, you have to stop everything you're doing and fix this right now. Like they may not even have the part. Like
There's no trailer back there.
oh, love her. She's legit crying, honestly. She can't even put the camera on herself because she's like frustrated and upset.
I'm kind of sad, actually. I mean, it's silly. Everything will work out fine. I know it will. It's just in the moment right now. I just really wanted to be taking this home. Our home. Yeah. We've been like, what do they call it when you're not living in your house?
Homeless.
And Danny even said we could stay at the dealership if we needed to.
Oh, wow. We're really... Oh, crap.
I have to laugh.
We'll get it.
Yeah,
We'll do this. We're gonna do this.
You're watching it live right here. We're figuring it out. Like, this is how we work through stuff. It's okay. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be just fine.
Just keep it.
It's gonna be fine. It'll work all out. Just
not really sure how.
Not usually how you think, I guess.
Oh, man. Looks like we're not leaving till July.
Oh my
No,
God.
I mean, you can take and get on it. You may find this is going to be where your problem is.
Okay.
All right?
I appreciate it. Thanks,
You're
Dave.
welcome.
All right.
No problem.
Yeah, troubleshooting 101. We got the part. And I really hope that it's just a real simple fix like this. At least we're listening to some good music.
At least it's bringing a smile.
You should listen very closely, because that incredible voice in the background is that lady's right there. It's so good.
Here we are, back to the dealership.
Okay, so we did go to AutoZone. We're gonna buy this. I'm gonna flip this at least switch out and start from there.
Yeah.
Because the brake was running intermittently, right?
No, the brake wouldn't come on at all.
Oh,
There was zero braking power.
that's what I'm gonna try and do with this. I mean, I guess he's gonna do it. I wasn't gonna ask him to. I'm like, okay.
Did it work? It's working? Are you serious? Oh my gosh, I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. Actually, I was praying on the way over here.
Go ahead and pull forward and hit the brakes.
We're finally leaving. It's all good.
We are finally doing it, guys.
Big smiles around the house. Big smiles.
Yep. Thanks, little dealer, little prices.